Hi YouTube world, I'm Ellie Torres and I'm joined by the man himself, the yacht boss himself, Mr. Will Tate.
Hi Ellie, how you doing today?
I'm doing great. It's absolutely stunning out here. We're down at Ego Alley and we've got the beautiful Chris-Craft 34, is that right?
34.
And it's
Corsair.
It's a Corsair.
It's Corsair, absolutely.
Yes. And it's 34 Corsair 2020.
2020.
Yeah, it's 6 years old, but it does not look it at all. It looks brand new. They've been really maintained the boat very well.
Absolutely. Indoor kept, etc. We're going to get into this video. We're going to check out this 2020 Chris-Craft 34 Corsair.
Let's get into it.
Let's get into it. Perfect.
And as well as it being an absolutely amazing day to have an open house for this beautiful Chris-Craft, we are also downtown with a bunch of boats who are in the poker run. It is absolutely incredible out there. Look at all these amazing boats. GTA, here we come. Wow, look at this magnificent boat. And we are at the Chop Tank. Hi YouTube world, I'm Ellie Torres and I'm joined today by the yacht boss himself, Mr. Will Tate. Welcome. We are downtown Annapolis at Ego Alley. We saw all the poker run today. That was incredible.
We did see the poker run today. Yeah, it was awesome seeing all the boats coming in.
Yeah.
You know, we're sitting there cruising at 30 miles an hour coming across the bay, and it looks like we were just standing still.
I know, we
70,
were
80 miles an
so
hour.
slow in comparison, but it was great because we got to see everything. So, you know, a couple of times a year they do a poker run. Explain for people who don't know what a poker run is.
So twice a year they're going to do what's called a poker run. Basically, there's 5 stops. They're playing poker, 5-card stop, 5-card draw, and each stop has a card. Whoever has the best hand at the end of the day wins, usually a pot of money, pot of gold, something like that.
Yeah, a boat maybe.
Yeah, a boat, something. But it was just it was a neat, cool experience. We came over for an open house on a 2020 Chris-Craft 34
Right over
Corsair. That's right over behind us at the Chop Tank, Annapolis Town Dock.
It is a beautiful boat. A classic boat, very classy. I absolutely love it. It's right over there.
It's right over there, absolutely, in front of the Chop Tank docks. We're taking a peek. We got some great folks that have been stopping by, checking out the boat. This boat is unbelievable.
Do you know what would really help us out? If you liked and subscribed to our channel. because every bit of content that we produce is all for you. And if you like what you see, we'd love to have your support.
Absolutely, guys. Our next benchmark's 1,000 subscribers. We want to crush that. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We're going to bring you more content weekly.
What he said.
So we're down here at the city docks, walking around to the boat. Ellie, it's a nice day. Gosh.
Oh my goodness, it is beautiful down here. I haven't been down to Ego Alley for a while, and it really is changing a lot.
It is, it is. They're doing a lot of construction back here in the background. You know, hopefully they're going to get everything cleaned up here. But this is my hometown. It's just an amazing place. It's a special place, just with all the boats and all the activity, everything going on. Just absolutely incredible. It's awesome to bring your boat down here. If you've never been to Annapolis, come visit. It's a great, great town.
Yeah, it's called Ego Alley for a reason.
That's right. Bring your ego.
Hi YouTube world, I'm downtown Annapolis on a beautiful Chris-Craft 34 2020. Will, tell us a bit about this boat. I'm on this beautiful swim platform.
Absolutely.
Outside Chop Tank.
Absolutely, Ellie. So this boat is called an IO boat. It's not, you know, you don't have two motors sitting back in the back, you know, for outboards, etc. I do like so it has inboard outboards. So what's nice is that you have this nice expansive swim platform back here. You know, for rafting up, hanging out, making sure the kids, you know, watching everybody, etc. And it is a teak decking, which is really, really beautifully maintained. This boat is actually kept in the boatel, so it's out of the sun and the elements. It's cleaned, it's flushed every single time it's used.
Yeah, it's maintained so well. We literally just picked it up from the boatel this morning, so we brought it down here ourselves.
Yeah, absolutely. So just a couple things, ladies and gentlemen. So we do have a shore power cord for charging batteries, etc. There's also the waste exit that's located there. It does have an internal waste tank. So if you are using the head, it'll go into a tank. You do also back here in the back have a outdoor shower as well. So you can hose off with fresh water after you get out of the bay. There are recessed cleats as well, which is really nice. So those cleats come up and down, you know, and they're recessed in. Looking at the back, we do have two sun pads that are located here as well, and there is a center pad that goes here in the middle. Currently, right now, it's labeled as a traffic area. It is done in teak. This boat is just absolutely gorgeous. It is like having a Porsche on the water.
It really is. It's so classy and elegant. Gorgeous boat.
Just a couple things just to point out. This boat does have custom diamond stitching.
This is so comfortable as well.
Inlays with the Chris-Craft logo, and here's an amazing lounger on port and starboard side.
Yeah, it's so comfortable.
Just for hanging out. And I'll tell you one of the cool things, Ellie. So what happens is they also have a stowaway table down here as well.
Fun.
So the table actually comes up, and so, you know, you're sitting here having a glass of wine, hanging out, which is just absolutely amazing. There is a cushion that covers this as well.
Yeah, so more seating. That's 6 ways.
Got a nice refrigerator back here in the back, so, you know, just for keeping drinks cold, etc.
Nice.
Just kind of taking a look at the storage capabilities. Both these backrests come open, so we've got fender storage here. And then we've also got storage underneath the seats as well. And that's on port and starboard side. Kind of taking a look at the boat and just looking at the wood, you know, just the nice accents. Just the wood is just super high quality. Plenty of cup holders.
Yes,
absolutely.
Always important.
Yep.
For your coffee or your wine.
That's right. Just very, very elegant and stylish.
I mean, I love even in here, you have like charging stations for your phones.
That's right.
And you can keep them in there away from the heat as well, which is really handy. And the attention to detail is really nice on this boat too.
Welcome to the helm, Ellie.
Welcome to the helm.
That's right. So we've got a couple of 10-inch Garmin displays on port and starboard. Going to give us, you know, just information, GPS, chart plotters, bunch of rocker switches here for the everything from nav lights to hatch controls, bilge pumps, etc. What's nice thing about this boat, Ellie, is we have everything's really easy to access. So we've got our trim tabs located here. We've got actually a joystick for this boat. So
And the
this
sky
boat,
hook.
yep, and the sky hook. So you can keep the boat in place. It's really, really easy to dock, etc. So wherever you point that joystick is where the boat's going to go.
Yeah, that's such a lovely feature.
Yeah. Stereo controls are located here. And then you have your infotainment center right here for all your engine data, etc. This
Okay,
boat,
that's great.
this boat is equipped with Lumishore underwater lights. So you can change the colors, etc. It's underneath of that.
Yeah. Pops up.
Nice bezels here, labeled in Chris-Craft, for your engine data, etc. One of the things I like about this boat as well, Ellie, is you can put the seats down for a more comfortable seating, or if you're standing up, etc. The bow of the boat's really well laid out. It's laid out in a nice teak format. We've got some nice moomers. When we go down the cabin, you'll notice just nice lighting for the
Yes.
cabin, which is great. But just the teak on this boat is just absolutely gorgeous. Nice wood rails, just all this stuff all has to do with the heritage of Chris-Craft.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. And you can tell it's been kept in a botel because there's not a mark on it.
Yeah, it's what they call bright work. Okay, that's what they call
Bright
it.
work?
Bright work.
Okay.
Yep. And it's very, very, very in great condition. We are in the cuddy cabin. This boat is equipped with air conditioning. And we do have a big TV located here.
Oh, I like it. What have we got here?
And then we can open this up.
Oh, that's nice. You let some natural light
Yeah,
in.
so you can let some natural light in. And it's got 3 moon roofs, which is great, and they are ventable.
Where does this go?
So that goes in the back. It's just a spare cushion
Oh, okay. Yeah.
for where we step in, but we have it set up to show today.
I love it.
Yeah.
This is really comfortable down here too.
So if you get an inclement day, it's just nice just hanging out down here and just really, really laid back.
And you have a little cooktop?
Yeah, we've got a cooktop here as well with a sink. Air conditioner controls. You can control the stereo down here as well. And then in here we do have our head.
And here we have is that for a fridge?
Yeah, so we've got another drawer fridge here as
That's
well.
great.
And then also, if we need to heat something up,
Oh, a
we've
little
actually got a
hidden
microwave back here as well.
I love that.
Just a couple things, just mentioning this boat is equipped with a custom paint job. Does have flakes in the paint. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Welcome to the engine room. Right here we've got twin 8.2 motors. Mark Cruiser. They do RC cord. Big blocks. Absolutely amazing. Nice and clean down the bilge. Batteries. Hot water heater. Everything really easy to work on. Your mechanic's gonna love you. This boat does have 125 hours on it. Really, really well kept. Flushed every single time it's taken out. Guys, we just did a walk around on this 2020 Chris-Craft 34 Corsair. What an amazing boat. We're down here in Annapolis. You having a great day, Ellie?
It is stunning down here. Beautiful day on a beautiful boat. This boat is classy, classic, and stunning. You guys need to see it to believe it.
We're down here. We are the Yacht Boss Team. We're having an amazing open house here on this Chris-Craft down here in Annapolis, down at the Chop Tank docks. Just having a great day. We just did a walkthrough on the boat. Guys, if you're interested in this type of boat, please let us know. Like and subscribe to our channel. Contact me directly. All my information will be in the description. Look forward to hearing from you.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
Have an amazing day.
Yeah, thank you. Bye, YouTube world.